Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got exciting things, guys. Look. I'm gonna do my first unboxing on this channel for a plant order that literally just came to me and got it from Crystal Star Nurseries. Guys, I have wanted what's in here for a long time. Well, there's actually, I think, 4 plants in here, or supposed to be 4 plants in this little box, because obviously I bought the small sizes. More economical and more fun to grow, I think. But there's a cactus in here I've been waiting for years, and I finally found one at a price that was not insane. The shipping kind of sucked, but hey, you know what? It is what it is. So I've already taken off the label, guys. You don't need to know my stuff. Okay, so let's open it up, guys. Let's open it up. I'm at my plant work desk, I call it. You can see all my plant media. I've been doing lots of repotting. So whenever I do, I pull out this fold out table and put it in the middle of my living room and off I go. So, well, package came through UPS and looky. So, well, my dog is like, what are we doing, Mom? What are we doing? Okay, so first one. It's so cute. Look how little it is. Now, I don't know what this is. I can't really tell what's what. I think if I look at the order form, it will help me decipher what's in each package. But I don't know. We'll just see. We will just see together. So you can see it's nicely wrapped. I'm doing this one-handed, guys. So hey, bear with me. Removing the tape. Okay. It feels cool to the touch, which is a really good thing. So far, so excellent. There it is. Guys, do you see that beautiful thing? I have been waiting, looking, thinking, wishing for this plant for a long time. And I finally got it. You can see what it is right here. The Hoya compacta hinder rope with the outer variegation. Isn't she a beaut? Now, as you know, if you've been looking at my channel for a long time, you can see right there next to my rowing machine. There's the Hoya compacta. I've got 2 that I split years ago. Oh, look. And you can see in my last video, she's about to bloom again. Blooms all the time. But yeah, there's my Hoya compacta hinder rope, and I've loved it so much. I wanted the variegated version, and isn't she a beaut? Isn't it beautiful? So I'm not gonna do anything to it today, obviously, because it just came. So we'll just set that aside under here. I put it under here, guys. Okay, there we go. Make more room. Let me zoom out so you can see what I'm doing. I've put it here. Oh, and I love the fact it comes with little labels, so I don't have to guess, you know. Although I know what they look like, to be honest, but that's a good start. So put that aside, put the garbage aside. Okay, next. You know, I can almost tell which is which. So I'm gonna play a game, guys. I'm gonna save the dream plant for last. So Crystal Star had their rare what do they call it? I forgot what they call it. It's like a plant sale they have. It's not something that happens regularly when they restock, and I acted fast, guys. I was like a crazy person. It started at 7 p.m. that day. I was on my phone, website open, of course, you know, just itching to hit the button. Let's see what I can do with my other hand, because this doesn't want to budge. To hit the button to get all the stuff in the cart that I wanted before anybody else took them. And it was crazy how fast the plants went, okay? It was crazy. But I did manage to succeed. I thought I knew what this was, but it isn't. Okay, so we've got a different something in here. Packaged a little differently. It's got wet paper around it. Not sure why, but can you guess, guys, what that is? People like to call it the... See if I can zoom on this. Oh, messy a little bit, but The PP cactus, guys. You can see why. People call it the penis cactus or the PP cactus. Don't tell me God doesn't have a sense of humor. Oh yeah, and I got it for $14. It is a very rare cactus. You do not see this at all easily. You won't find this at Home Depot anytime soon, I don't think. But if I did, I'd buy it anyway. You know. But yeah, I got a little one for... struggle is real, guys. Struggle is real to do this one-handed. But maybe I should just... But I want you guys to feel the excitement with me. I want you to feel the excitement with me, guys. So I am going to try and do this one-handed. Okay, so here we go. I've got the tape off. They really got it in there, guys. They really got it in there. Oh, look at it. Wait. There she is. Or he. The PP cactus has to be a he, right? Okay, so I got a little one. And yeah, it's that tiny, but hey. Look at it. Okay, so what's the real name? Trichocereus something. I can't remember. There we go. Trichocereus. What is that? Brigicii Montrose. There you go. That is what that PP cactus is really called. But I mean, I just get it because I like it. Okay. Ignore my planty box over there. I've got a lot of pots in there. So when I go to unpot, guys, I just drag all this stuff out, all my supplies, and I just sit here a couple of hours, you know, or days. I have a lot of plants, and I just repot as I go, making all my mixes. I got my sphagnum and my bark and my this and my that. You know how it goes, guys. So yeah, there is the PP cactus. It's got one little thorn, I noticed. See that? All right, set that aside. Let's go for the next one. Let's go for the next one. Okay, so let me put this somewhere. Okay, there we go. Stick that there. And the paper, well presented, nicely packaged and safe. Well, I don't know. I thought I knew what was where, but apparently I do not. So let's just go with number 3. Like I said, I ordered 4, as you can see. Oh, I see what it is. Did you guys see that? It is my longed for, if I can get it out, so much, obviously it would be easier with one, with 2 hands, I should say, but we gotta make it happen, guys. We are going to make it happen. You know, I was supposed to go and get lunch. I never bothered because the package came. Who needs food when you can get a cactus? Okay. Look at her. Guys, I have wanted a booby cactus for years, and I finally got one. She's not absolutely perfect, but you know what? It's okay. She's got a scar or two. Let me get her out of there. Take this paper out. I guess the paper keeps all the soil in. Makes sense. Try not to poke myself. That would be a mean way to welcome me. Or welcome this one home. Give me a good poke. Yeah, so she's got a little scarring, as you can see, on the outside. I'd rather she didn't, but I got the medium size. I think I paid $22, 22, 21, somewhere there. So yeah, the infamous booby cactus. Obviously that's not the real name. It's Myrtillocactus I can't remember. There you go. Myrtillocactus geometricans CV Fukoru. Yeah, guys, whatever that says, read that. I can't get my phone to focus these days. I'm not sure what's going on here. Oh, it's so annoying. I think my lighting, I need to turn on the lights, but whatever. It is Myrtillocactus geometricans cultivar, I think, Fukuroku Ryu Zumboku. And that is why she's called the booby cactus, guys. That is why she is called the booby cactus. I'm going to squeeze her and see if she's soft in any way. I don't think so. I think she will do fine. Ugh, I would die if she didn't live. I would die. So look at him, guys. Look at him. Last one. Let's see what's happening. Ho ho. And the last one's got thorns waiting for me, poking through the paper. Just waiting to get me good. Last one, guys. Last one. This one's a colorful one, or should be. Should be a colorful one. Okay. So. Oh. Isn't that something? Guys, there's a flower poking out. There is a flower poking out from the top. Ha! Okay, I might have to take this one. Oh, okay. This one's a good size, I think. Yes, it is. Wait, guys. Do you see that? It's my... Ooh, wait. Gymnocalcium. If I can get to it. She's heavy. I did not expect to be that big. Hold on. Okay, sorry guys, camera's all... Oh, the struggle was real. Look at her. Look at her. Okay, box is empty. Box is empty. Oh. Guys. Do you see that? Do you see that? Hold on, let me see if I can get the light on, guys. This is... Hold up. Let's see if that makes it any better. The camera doesn't seem to know what to do. Do you see that? Oh. Okay, my camera is not doing it justice. Came with a flower bud. Actually, 2 flower buds, because there's one here as well. If you could even see. My phone is normally better than this. I don't know what's going on with my phone today. Yeah, I'm using my phone, guys, but isn't she pretty? Look at her. Oh, that is gorgeous. So here we go. The Gymnocalcium variegata. Oh, beautiful. So that's the haul, guys. That is the haul. Let me zoom. Wait. Let me get them all in a... Get my little treasures in a row. Get my little treasures in a row. There they are, guys. My haul from Crystal Star Nurseries. Do I have any complaints? I'd rather if my booby cactus didn't have scars like that. I really would. But it's not the worst thing ever. So, thank you, Crystal Star, for sending me my beauties safely. I think they're gonna be fine. The leaves on my Hoya feel pretty good. That's how I figure out when this Hoya needs water, guys. I just squeeze it. It's just easier, you know? And I can tell you this PP cactus does not need water. It's hard as a rock. I can tell this doesn't need water either. It's very plump. The booby cactus, maybe, because she's got a good give to her. So what I'm gonna do is just let them acclimate to my environment for a couple of days. Taking off all the tape, guys. A lot of tape to keep everything in place. Good job for packaging. Yeah, so I'm just gonna let them sit in my place for a while, you know, a couple of days or so before I mess with them, because I repot everything, guys, when I buy it. It's what I do. It's what I do. So there we go. I don't remember what I paid for the Hoya. I could check, but I can't remember. It was probably like $18 or something like that, right? None of these were over $30. So I got a pretty good deal for all these. So Now I just have to keep him alive. Now I know this Hoya here is gonna it's gonna be small forever. This is the slowest Hoya, I swear, the slowest. But it does grow once you give it enough light and get the watering down pat. It will grow, but it will take the longest time to grow. So you gotta be patient with it and just give it what it needs, and eventually it will attain a significant size. I'm sure it'll grow faster if you lived in the tropics, right? But living in Canada, in the North Pole, is not exactly what you'd call friendly towards such things. But anyway, that's it, guys. Once again, Gymnocalcium variegata, Hoya compacta hinderope, variegated with the outer variegation on the leaf. There's one that has the inner variegation, like the cream will be in the middle instead of on the edge. I might get that one day, but I don't think so. I think one variegated is all I need. And of course I have my booby cactus. And then I have my penis cactus. That one makes me giggle. Can't wait till it grows. It should be a good conversation starter. Anywho, thanks for watching, guys. Keep an eye out for any updates on these in the future. I will let you know how they're doing. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It helps my channel grow, and I would love to continue to share my plants with everyone and some good tips. Alrighty, bye bye. See you next time. God bless.